The federal mask mandate for transportation, which may not be dead just yet. The Biden administration says it will appeal a judge's decision to strike down the mandate, and although it's not clear if the mandate would be immediately reinstated if the government wins that appeal. Errol Barnett is following all these latest developments for you. He's at the Reagan National Airport, which is just outside Washington. Errol, it's like that Temptation song, Ball of Confusion. That's what the world is today. Hey, hey.
And that ball continues to roll, Gayle. Good morning. Look, the CDC says amid a surge of COVID in several states across the country, a masking requirement indoors for travelers remains necessary. And that is why it asked the Department of Justice late on Wednesday to make an official appeal. But all of this leaves us travelers stuck in the middle of what is a growing legal battle that certainly carries the potential to reach the Supreme Court.
Just 2 days after some flyers removed their face masks mid-flight, a legal challenge from the Justice Department could potentially bring the federal mask mandate back.
We're all ready for it to be over, but we want to ensure that our public health experts are able to take steps if needed in the future.
As of Thursday, it remains up to passengers to decide whether to wear masks on public transportation, though the sudden rule change Monday led to confusion, with some cities like New York and Philadelphia still requiring masks on trains, buses, and in airports. In a statement, the CDC defended the mask mandate, saying at this time an order requiring masking in the indoor transportation corridor remains necessary for the public health. A Trump-appointed federal judge in Florida struck down the mandate Monday, saying the CDC exceeded its authority and didn't follow rulemaking procedures. And this comes at a time when COVID-19 cases are surging in parts of the country.
The problem with air travel is that
CBS News contributor Dr. David Ager says that while airplanes have strong filtration systems, it may not be enough for high-risk travelers.
those people will have more of a difficulty going out in public with the potential of being exposed. They can get very ill.
Which is a very real concern for Brian Vastag of Hawaii. He traveled to Alaska for treatment for his autoimmune disorders.
I am constantly assessing my risk. I'm not going to know, is there somebody on the plane who's sick right now?
And we all know pandemic fatigue is setting in for so many, but this decision certainly carries risks for the Biden administration. What's on the line? Well, the future influence of the CDC and the federal government's ability, Tony, should there be another virus, another variant, to make health regulations.
Still a high-stakes situation, Errol. Thank you very much.